Siyacela moyeni. Umlilo wakho Nkosi yami bekulamavili. Bene ukushintsha Nkosi yami empilweni zabo. Ngegama likaJesu Kristu. Amen. Amen. Ngicela bazalwane. Isithembiso lesilekho.
Isithembiso kakho.
Take you, I am the same.
Take you, I am the one.
To be my wedded wife.
To be my wedded wife.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better or for worse.
For better or for worse.
For richer or for poor.
For richer or for poor.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
Until death do us part.
Until death do us part.
Amen. Hey, bazalwane, lapha ngidanga tshakeni ngala. Hey, ngathi yaphandle lithi imoto la. Amen. To be my wedded husband. To have and to hold. From this day forward. For better or for worse. For richer or for poorer. In sickness and in health. To love and to cherish. From this day forward. Until death do us part. Amen. Amen. Bazalwane. Ngizocela ke ukuthi Baba egameni likaJesu Kristu. Ngiyacela Nkosi yami ukuthi lokumanyano bese ezandleni zakho. Kuyintando yakho Nkosi yami ukuthi kube nje namhlanje. Siyacela uNkulunkulu ongahlulwa yilutho ukuthi Baba bahlanganise. Wenze Nkosi yami umsebenzi kamoya empilweni zabo. Bacabange Nkosi yami ngendlela eyodwa. Babona impilo ngendlela efanayo. Amandla akho Nkosi yami abonakaliswe empilweni zabo.
When I'm gone, shiny silly, Mogufumu Bemoni. When I'm gone, I teach a bully, Mogufumu Bemoni. kuyo. Oh mina ngiyabuza ukuthi sizophuma kanjani kule ndaba, kule nxaka yothando esisifake kuyo.